Hey people, it's been a while, but here I am doing a live at 4928 58th Avenue. So I know winter's coming, but it's still a pretty nice warm day today for standing on this deck and just enjoying the warmth and people milling about and a blue jay in the tree. So, but enough of me. Here we go. We're going to take a look at this house and show you what it's all about. So, like I said, standing on the deck. Brand new deck. And when I say brand new deck, I mean brand new. Couple days old. I'm just gonna fenced yard, newer vinyl siding. And I don't know if you can see, but that's also new shingles that have just been put on in the past couple weeks. So there has been some substantial investment into this house. It's cute as heck. And if I don't get run over on the street, you can see some nice shade for the summer months. A nice front deck to sit on. Okay, I know you guys are thinking, okay, so how much? It is only listed at $199,500. She is approximately just about 1,300 square feet of house. We got a back entrance as well, a garden shed, and a fenced yard. But you can tell, despite this house being built in 1954, there has been lots of improvements and upgrades. So we always say there's two ages of a home. There's the effective age and the chronological age. So here, this is a home where the two ages may be remarkably different. Effectively, this house is quite a bit younger with all the improvements that have been done. From the front door, walked into a large living room. Great windows, lots of southern exposure light. Sorry, Ange, I left the door open. Dining room. And that's a decent sized dining room. Big enough for pretty much any family. Kitchen again, upgraded kitchen, stainless appliances. And we're moving to the back entrance. There's a good sized entrance porch. It has room for pretty much everything you need. And then from the back door, we are going upstairs. And we'll see storage. Someone called it a Harry Potter room. Yeah, it's probably a good description. More Harry Potter rooms. And two decent sized bedrooms. and a pretty sizable living room area, rec area upstairs. Send the kids upstairs. They won't be bothering you while you watch Dr. Phil. Newer flooring. And newer windows. View of the backyard. And let's head back downstairs again. So this home does have 3 bedrooms. 2 of which are upstairs. Zoom through the kitchen again. Really nice cabinets. And what was I saying? Okay, 2 bedrooms upstairs. We have washroom on main. And again, like you can tell, it's been upgraded. Pedestal sink. And then 1 bedroom on the main floor. So, I've shown you all the improvements, but wait, I haven't. This home also has a brand new furnace. Again, less than a month old, probably less than 2 weeks old. So let's recap. We have newer windows, newer siding, brand new deck, brand new shingles, brand new furnace, newer cabinetry, decent appliances. It's pretty nice. Again, list price $199,500. And we have a listing number of A2086896. Really is a house that you want to take a look at. If you're in the market to find a different place to live for the winter months, tired of your current location, give me a call. We can take a look at this home. I do like this deck. So, if you have any questions, give me a call, 780-536-0021. 780-523-8022 is my cell phone. Love to show you this house. Have a good day. Try and be good to each other.